Hello everyone, this is Victoria here again at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so excited today because today I'm gonna review so stunning shoes. The name is FLAMINGO-1020 and they are 8-inch. As you can see, this big box, red my favorite color, but I'm so excited to show you guys these stunning shoes. Boots. Oh my god, look at these beautiful boots. 8-inch with platform, zipper here, and laces as well for make you feel super secure. I love the boots. You already know that I love the boots. They come with this paper as well, and they come with super grippy button, which is good, so you don't feel uncomfortable or insecure when you walk, which is really important. Okay, let's try. I'm dying to try these ones. White is one of my favorite color as well. Red, black, and white. And in boots, make me crazy, guys. I'm gonna be super tall with this one because I'm 5'9". So with these ones, I'm gonna be 6'4", 5, 6'5". Can you imagine, guys? I'm gonna be super tall. Oh my god, I'm dying with these shoes. What do you think, guys? I think you're gonna love these ones like me. And you can do this, and it's super good. Make them super secure for you. I really love this style of boots. We have another colors as well. I'm gonna show you. But I wear today white ones. Like this. Make them super secure. I'm in love with these boots. I'm really in love. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, they are super high, but they are comfortable. What do you think, guys? I can reach the sky, but they are super comfortable. They come with cushioning on the bottom inside, which make them super comfortable. Victoria in 8-inch. I really love this style. What do you think, guys? I know you really love them as well. They are so comfortable that you can forget that you are in such a high heels. We have as well in this color. You can check the video already. And in this color as well. They are 8-inch. But we have these ones as well in 10 inches. So if you want me to try in this one, just let me know in the comments. And I can do for you. Let me know. Okay, as usual, we go to walk around a little bit for show you how amazing look these boots under sunlight. But don't forget to subscribe, to leave me your comments, a lot of comments, and click on the little bell in this corner for don't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. if I try one day 10 inches, I'm gonna be super tall. I'm gonna be 6'7". Oh my God, they are stunning. I'm in love with these shoes. I'm pretty in love. Maybe they are my favorites today. And I really like the boots because they make your foot super secure. They are not moving to any place. That's good. And I feel that maybe I can walk on these ones during all day. Let's turn around a little bit to show you every detail. My God, I love these shoes. I'm in love. I can't stop to see them. I feel that I can rise the sky. I'm the more tall girl on the world. What do you think, guys? Did you like to see me such a tall today? I know you love it. 6'5" with this one. Even I have to take care here for don't hit my head or something. I can reach the ceiling. But I really love be so tall because call the attention so the people can't stop to see you. Okay guys, you already know, up to you, leave me your comments. I really love these boots. In 8, but I can try if you want. I even don't want to take off. I'm in love with these boots. White color. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video and see you next time.